Hello, I am Chef Carol, NYC, and I teach low-carb, keto-friendly, step-by-step cooking. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stay around and subscribe, and if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Today, I am making a low-carb keto pound cake. I found this recipe at wholesomeyum.com, and I will put this in the directions. I'm starting with softened butter and a keto sweetener. I'm going to use my mixer at high speed to beat the butter and the sugar together until it's fluffy. I've also preset my oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm just going to scrape down the sides of the bowl and put my paddles back on and beat the mixture a little bit more. I'm going to sift the almond flour. And that's just to get the lumps out, just in case they don't completely dissolve. I like to make sure that I sift them out. I'm going to scrape down my bowl again and make sure that there's nothing sticking to the bottom. And I'm going to beat this again. Now I'm going to add my eggs in one at a time. I want to make sure that that egg is completely combined before I add in the next egg. Now I've added in my second egg. Generally, you beat each one for about 30 seconds. I'm adding in the vanilla now, and I'm going to put the mixer on a lower speed, medium-low. I'm going to once again scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now, with my mixer on a medium-low speed, I'm going to add in the baking powder and just a pinch of salt. Now I'm just going to add in the almond flour while the mixer beats on a medium-low speed. I'm going to clean off my beater. And I have a small bundt pan. I'm once again scraping down the sides to make sure I get all of that good mix into the bowl. This is just a 7-inch bundt pan, so it's only going to make a small cake. So I'm just smoothing out the batter to make sure that the cake is pretty level when it bakes. Just going to tap it down a little, get the air bubbles out, put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the top is golden brown. And look at that beautiful cake. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, please check out my other tutorials. See you soon.